Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find saved reels on Instagram. So here I've already opened my Instagram, and let's say that I saved reels to my Instagram. Let's say this one's right here. So I'm going to click on save, and to find the reels that I save, you can just go to the profile, your Instagram profile, and click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and here go to the saved option, click on that, and here click on the all posts, and you'll see the reels that I just saved before, this one's right here. Okay, so there you go. That's how you can find the save reel on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye bye.